Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can mute any Gmail message. So doing that you need to open your Gmail app. So suppose I want to mute this message, so just click on it. The window will look like this. Then click on this three dot. Then here you can see the snooze option, or you can mute. So in this video I am going to cover this mute part, so I will put mute here. So by doing this it will mute it. So this is the way you can mute any messages in Gmail. So I hope you like this video and keep watching.